Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's recipe is how to make a tasty Ghanaian style grilled goat meat with the skin on. This is a very quick and simple recipe that you can make when you have visitors or for yourself, and you can eat it with anything you like. So if you're interested, please watch this video with me and let's get started. For this recipe, you need good quality goat meat. And this is goat meat with the skin on. And I know it's not easy to find this one, but if you can get it, it's fine. But if you get goat meat with no skin on, it also works perfectly. We need some ginger and a good piece of ginger. You need 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, you need 2 small onions, and you need about 6 garlic cloves. We will add another smaller size onion later on, and I'll tell you when. For the spices, we need garlic granules, we have everyday seasoning here, and we have some garlic salt, which is basically garlic mixed with salt. I am also adding 1 or 2 beef cube stocks. You also need some oil, and I am using vegetable oil. And last but not least, you need some salt to taste. So let's get right into it. In your blender, add the onions, the garlic, and also the ginger. And then add some water. I'm adding about 500 ml of water just to boil our goat. So put the goat in a pan and add the mixture. Add some salt and add 1 tablespoon of everyday seasoning. If you don't have everyday seasoning, you can add all-purpose seasoning, okay? And then add some garlic granules, which is here about 1 teaspoon. And next add 1 beef cube stock to it. And this is the brand OXO that you can also find in supermarkets, right? So the cube is quite big, so usually 1 is enough. Next, mix it and let it boil for about 20 to 25 minutes, and don't forget to cover it. Make sure that the skin becomes softer because it can be very hard sometimes unless you like it hard. So this is it, guys. My goat meat is ready. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 190 degrees and then place your meat on a good baking tray. If you have a non-stick one, it's even better, like this one. And the brand is One Chef. Next, add about 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil to it and add garlic salt. And as I said, this is just a mixture of salt and garlic. And then I'm going to add another type of beef stock, and this is a Ghanaian one, but if you don't have that one, don't worry. And then mix it. Make sure you mix it well. And please do not overload your tray to make sure that the meat grills evenly, okay? Next, put it in the middle tray and let it grill for about 20 minutes to start with. In the meantime, chop another onion and add half a tablespoon of oil. And the thing here is we are going to add some few Maggi cube drops and then mix it. You love it, guys. You just love it. This is not strange. Next, put it on the meat and mix it well. Okay? So as I'm telling you, you love this recipe and your guests, your family members are also going to enjoy this. So you really need to try it. And then put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. And voila, your meat is ready. Look at this perfect grilled or oven cooked goat meat with skin. And as usual, I am going to show you a close-up of this wonderfully oven grilled goat meat. So look at this. How do you see it? Now tell me, what would you eat this meat with? Me deɛ, I think say nka metwi mako na nka mededi. So mako ne everyone say dokno no. So like something very spicy. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is a must-try recipe. Everybody loves it. Okay, so thank you for watching this. I really appreciate your support. I really do. And I'll see you next time in another video. Please, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And please don't forget to turn your notification bell on, and in that way you won't miss any of my videos. In fact, you'll be the first person to know when I have posted a new video. Thank you very much and see you soon. God bless you all.